In the world of gardening, a unique and ancient practice known as moon gardening has gained renewed attention. This intriguing method involves planting and tending to plants based on the phases of the moon. Drawing from centuries of wisdom and observation, moon gardening is believed to harness the mystical influence of lunar cycles to enhance plant growth and yield. In this video, we'll delve into the principles behind moon gardening, explore its benefits, and provide practical insights for embracing this enchanting gardening approach. Lunar phases and gardening. New moon phase. During the new moon, which signifies beginnings, focus on planting above-ground crops like leafy greens and herbs. This phase is ideal for sowing seeds, as the gravitational pull is weaker. Waxing moon phase. As the moon waxes and gains illumination, energy is drawn upward. Plant crops that produce their seeds outside the fruit, such as beans and peas. Pruning and fertilizing are also favored during this phase. Full moon phase. The full moon, associated with heightened energy and illumination, is a time for harvesting crops that are valued for their above-ground parts, such as fruits and flowers. It's also a great time for grafting and transplanting. Waning moon phase. During the waning moon, energy shifts downward. Focus on planting root crops like carrots and potatoes, as well as performing activities like weeding, cultivating, and pruning to hinder regrowth. Benefits of moon gardening. Enhanced plant growth. Moon gardening proponents believe that aligning planting with lunar phases can lead to stronger, more vigorous plants. Natural synchronization. Moon gardening aligns planting activities with natural cycles, potentially improving plant success rates. Reduced chemical use. Advocates suggest that plants grown through moon gardening may require fewer pesticides and fertilizers due to their increased vitality. Holistic approach. Moon gardening encourages gardeners to connect with nature and observe celestial rhythms, fostering a deeper understanding of the environment. Practical tips for moon gardening. Lunar calendar. Utilize a lunar calendar to track the moon's phases and identify optimal planting times for different types of crops. Observation. Regularly observe your garden's progress and make note of any patterns you notice in relation to lunar phases. Experimentation. Moon gardening is a personal journey. Experiment with different planting methods and moon phases to find what works best for your garden. Companion planting. Combine moon gardening with companion planting techniques to maximize the benefits of both practices. Cultivating connection. Moon gardening is a captivating blend of ancient wisdom and modern gardening practices. While scientific evidence may be limited, the practice's emphasis on natural rhythms and mindfulness offers a unique perspective on the art of gardening. As you embark on your moon gardening journey, remember that the true magic lies in the connection you foster with the earth, the moon, and the beauty of the natural world.